Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Mr. Golias. Wait a minute. Are you actually 6 feet? I guess we're safe. It's technology. So obviously this is kind of unusual, unexpected, but we're going to make the best out of this. I'm going to try to do a video update each day to kind of walk you through. So the first one, I just wanted to kind of guide you how things are going to work. So we will use questions of the day for our daily attendance, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. I will try to have a weekly project, which will be creating as opposed to just consuming, watching something, and then answering boring questions and being done with it. We'll actually make something each week. Virtual class, you guys have all been using Google Classroom, so same rules apply online as in class. I don't anticipate that being a problem. I've looked at the class rosters. I know almost everybody in all these classes, with the exception of a few new people. To the new ones, hello, and actually to the returning people, hello, great to have you back. My goal is simply this: can we make this useful and give you guys skills for high school and beyond? You guys are weeks away, believe it or not, from becoming high school students, even though it seems like, you know, the world's come to a halt. We are moving on, and high school will be here before you know it. So that is my plan and my goal. So I thought it'd be helpful if you guys knew a little bit more about me. So you're going to do something similar to this, by the way. So you'll notice my title page says Mr. Golias, period. So you're going to have one of those slides, and then eventually you're going to make something similar. What matters most to me is family. You can see some pictures here. This is the whole family with my son Luke and my daughter Faith, who is a new arrival. I'm really into adventure activities. At least I was before I had family. This is me scuba diving out in Australia. Family, we just love being together. We love sports, any social activities, being around people. So this is definitely difficult for us, being indoors. I love coaching and playing sports as well, which has also been tough during this season because, you know, I've had to give that up as well. And there's a couple pictures of the latest addition to my family. So just real briefly, just so it's not some crazy digital class, you don't even know who I am. This is me, this is my family, and those are some things that really matter most to me. So taking a look at what we're going to do, today's class agenda, you'll see video greeting, intro, and agenda, which we're doing right now. QOD number 1, I'll show you in a second. You're going to watch a Google Classroom tour, and then you'll do the Google Classroom exit slip. So let's take a look at the Google Classroom. All right, so here is our Google Classroom. I would definitely stay in the classwork section. Everything's going to be organized into little sections. Like you can see the daily agenda. So you have access to this every day. I'm actually going to make a tab that's going to have each of our video intros that you'll be able to watch as well. Our question of the day is right here. Notice how it says used for daily attendance. So you want to do this part by 10 a.m. each day, because that's when I come in and I will do our attendance. So you'll answer those. Then, if you remember from our agenda, you are going to watch the Google Classroom tour. So you'll come back and watch this little video. It just walks you through how we use the Google Classroom a little bit better. And you'll want to go ahead and do that. And then finally, you'll go to the exit slip, and there'll be a little assignment that you'll do with that. So welcome to the class. I'm glad to have you guys. I look forward to making the best possible experience we can, and we will do a ton of technology and cool stuff that you guys are going to like, despite not being able to be in the classroom. And hopefully, you know, by May, we can actually join together in person. But for now, a virtual hello and welcome to the class.